Mindset to growth. In this fast-paced, uncertain world, change can come in an instant. A mindset of growth where people are adaptable, innovative, resilient, and able to collaborate effectively across boundaries is fundamental to sustained success. Your mindset underpins your ability to make the most of your personality, skills, and strengths. You can let your mindset be trapped in survival, or you can choose to develop habits to operate more consistently from growth. You've probably experienced the impact of a survival mindset in your workplace. People being reactive rather than mindful to challenges, they feel constantly stretched, tired, and operate on autopilot. Defensiveness rules. People find fault, are overly judgmental, resistant to change, less inclusive, and struggle to collaborate. Our research finds that a mindset of growth is associated with significantly higher levels of adaptability and learning agility. People are also more engaged, inclusive, and collaborate more effectively with others. The challenge is that our research also shows 6 out of 10 people in the UK are operating in a mindset of survival. Those people have a survival mindset that is resistant, defensive, disengaged, and blocking the team from reaching its full potential. Our transformational digital learning solution, Mindset to Growth, gives people the inspiration, insight, and practical tools to transform and sustain their own performance from a mindset of growth, as well as the tools and courage to transform the performance of others. Whether used as part of face-to-face development for 10 people, or used to catalyse and sustain transformational change for 10,000 as part of a fully virtual solution, Mindset to Growth's highly interactive and practical digital learning transforms people from survival to growth through bite-sized experiential learning based on over 15 years of evidence-based practice, designed to make learning stick. Tailored, targeted and transformational feedback from our mindset development psychometric, the Growth Indicator. Proven practical mindset change tools participants can use immediately to enable their performance, resilience and engagement with others. 1 year's access to our online development platform, Growth Space, and tools to sustain learning, track performance, improvement, and measure return on investment. Client feedback demonstrates time and time again our solutions deliver people who feel more empowered, energized, and equipped to bring their best self to work. This creates an infectious community of advocates, armed with tools to enable growth in their own teams and across the organisation. Where could a mindset of growth take you? Find out more at mindsetpractice.com.